Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. We're going to talk about how to earn 1 billion American Express membership reward points. Well, maybe not 1 billion membership reward points, but you could do 1 million. That's within the realm of possibility. So in this video, we're going to talk about all the different ways that we can earn membership reward points so we can get our 1 million points and go do whatever we want to do with all these. It's probably going to be fly to a lot of different places because that's where we get the most value out of membership reward points. And if you're new to the channel, I'm Justin and I like talking about using credit cards and reward points to get the most out of life. If that sounds good to you, really appreciate a thumbs up and you can subscribe to the channel. First and easiest way to get a whole bunch of membership reward points is going to be the sign-up bonuses. This is when you haven't had the card before and they want to get a new customer, so they're going to tempt you with a whole bunch of points that if you spend a bunch of money on your card, you get the points. Usually for American Express, it'll be something like spend $4,000 or $6,000 in 6 months. The normal sign-up bonus for the American Express Platinum card is going to be about 100,000 membership reward points after spending $6,000 in the first 6 months. And with the Gold card, the Platinum's little brother, it's going to be about 60,000 membership reward points after spending $4,000 in 6 months. And then there's the Green card. That sign-up bonus is going to be about 40,000 points after spending $2,000 in 6 months. But there's better sign-up bonuses than that. There's higher welcome offers with a website called Resy. And Resy is a fine dining food reservation website that American Express bought. And they offer special welcome offers that are higher than anywhere else. So if you sign up through the link on Resy, those are going to be the highest welcome offers that you're probably going to get. So right now they have the welcome offer for the Platinum card of 125,000 membership reward points. But you also get 10x back when spending at restaurants. So you get an extra 25,000 points for the welcome offer and a bumped up spending category of this 10x at restaurants, and you can't get that with your normal welcome offer. Then you have the Gold card, which is going to be 75,000 points, but you also get a 20% statement credit when spending at restaurants up to $250. And then for the Green card, you have a 50,000 point sign-up bonus and a 20% statement credit when spending at restaurants up to $150. Another thing you could do is that you might be able to find a higher welcome offer by using a browser that you don't usually use. If you always use your laptop to check your American Express account, go ahead, use a different laptop, different computer in the house, check Amex on there, and maybe it'll show a higher welcome offer. You can also get higher sign-up bonuses with the Business Platinum card of 125,000 points and 150,000 points for the Business Platinum. But a good thing about the Business Platinum is sometimes you can get a no lifetime language. Usually, welcome offers are once in a lifetime. So if you've had one product, one American Express Platinum card, you're not eligible to get that again in a couple years. But with the business card, you may be eligible to get multiple business platinum cards. And you're also eligible to get different platinum cards where you have the vanilla platinum and you have the Morgan Stanley platinum and the Charles Schwab platinum. So the big difference between the Morgan Stanley platinum and the Charles Schwab platinum is you can cash out your membership reward points to your Morgan Stanley account or your Charles Schwab account for 1 cent each, and then just invest invest your points instead of redeeming them for travel or something. Next is spending categories. And different cards have different spending categories. So sometimes it makes more sense to put spending on your platinum card, and sometimes it makes more sense on your gold card. For the platinum card, you'll get 5x back on flights booked directly through the airline or through the travel portal, and hotels booked through the travel portal. Then you have the gold card, and that's going to earn you 4x back on dining and grocery stores. And then you have the green card, that's going to earn you 3x on transit like bus stations, subways, ferries, things like that. You also got 3x on travel, but a good thing about the green card is that it's hotels, airlines, and online travel portals like Expedia and TripAdvisor and things like that. Third on the list is using Rakuten. Rakuten is a cashback site. So if you go to Rakuten.com and then you find your store that you want to shop at, like Nike or Adidas or Under Armour or whatever, there's thousands of websites linked on Rakuten. You get about anything you want. Go ahead, click your link through Rakuten. It'll send you to the website, and then you're going to get cash back for those purchases. But a great thing about Rakuten is that you can earn membership reward points with this. And you link your membership rewards account to Rakuten, choose membership rewards option, and you're going to get paid back in membership reward points instead of cash back. So if you have a store that's offering 5% back, it's going to give you 5 membership reward points per dollar spent instead. And that's on top of whatever you're earning from spending on your card. Right now, there's a big sale of getting 15% cash back on a whole bunch of stores on Rakuten. You could also use this with American Express offers, those little coupons that you see under your account. So here's one from Dell. If you spend $600 on the Dell website, Amex will give you a statement credit of $120. If we go over to Rakuten, they're going to give us 2% back. So we get 1,200 American Express points and $120 statement credit when we stack these two. Next on the list is referrals. If you have a friend, significant other that wants a card and you already have the card, you can get a referral link, send them the link, they sign up for the card, they get approved, you get points. So if someone signs up for American Express Platinum card using your link, you'll earn 15,000 membership reward points and 10,000 for the gold card. And that's up to 55,000 points a year. Couple different ways to do it. You could enter your friend's email address where Amex will send them the link themselves and they'll get it in their email. Or you can request a link yourself and then you can send it to them, or you can post it on Facebook or something like that. Hint, I got some referral links down below. This brings us to kind of targeted special offers. These are different things that come along to different people. Can be targeted, may not be available to anybody, but they are out there. And this is something like right now, targeted offer of sign up for a pay over time and earn 20,000 membership reward points. So if you make a big purchase for $1,000, you can pay that over time, but you are going to pay interest. Good news is that you don't have to actually pay over time. You can enroll in it, put the charges on there, but just pay it off at the end of the month like you always do. Another one that comes along occasionally is add authorized users. Additional users is like somebody that you trust, maybe a spouse, that you add them to the account, and Amex give you maybe 20,000 points for a platinum card, 10,000 for a gold card. It is going to have an annual fee, and it is also going to have spending requirements to meet that. You can't just get this card and leave it in the drawer. You're going to have to put some spend on that card to earn those points. Last on the list is retention offers. When you're thinking of quitting the card, you call them up, and you're like, I'm thinking about canceling this card. It's not for me. and maybe they're like, we want to keep you as a customer, so we'll give you a bunch of points or something to keep you as a customer. And sometimes this could be up to 60,000 membership reward points, but kind of depends on what kind of customer you are. If you're a bad customer, you're not paying your bills on time, you're not putting any spend on the card, they might just say goodbye. And if you're putting $100,000 a year on your card, they may offer you a bit more for you to keep the card because they're making money off of you. The retention offers are also going to be kind of like a welcome offer. It's going to be, a bunch of points, 60,000, 40,000 points, but there's going to be spending involved in that too. You got to spend $3,000 in 4 months or something like that. And it's going to be different for everybody. So that's how you rack up a whole bunch of membership reward points. We got sign-up bonuses, spending categories, additional users, targeted offers, referrals, shopping portals. So if you use those, you should be able to get a whole bunch of membership reward points. If you learn anything, I really appreciate thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.